The authority of silence, your own arsenal. What if I told you the strongest move you can make right now is nothing? No texts, no explanations, no desperate pleas to be heard, just silence. The question is, do you have the strength to do it? Right now, your emotions are screaming at you to react, to call her, text her, do anything to make her acknowledge you. But that's exactly where most men fail. They chase, they beg, they sacrifice their dignity just for a shred of validation. And what does that do? It makes them look weak. It confirms her power over them. But what happens when you do the opposite? When you disappear without a trace? When you stop feeding her ego with your attention? You become a ghost in her mind. And ghosts haunt people. Maybe she left you. Maybe she ghosted you first. Maybe she made you feel worthless. Now you're drowning in memories, replaying scenarios, wishing for a second chance. But that's not how this story ends. Today, you become a different man. One who doesn't beg, who doesn't need closure, who understands that the most powerful response is no response at all. The moment you embrace this, everything changes. She starts wondering. She questions herself. That uneasy feeling of loss creeps in. Because here's the truth about human nature. People don't value what they have until it's gone. But this isn't about her. It's always been about you. It's about reclaiming your power. It's about realizing that the only person who ever needed to value you is you. So choose. Will you stay stuck in the past, trapped in regret? Or will you step into your power and prove to her and to yourself that you don't break over something as temporary as rejection? This is where your transformation begins. You're not ghosting her for revenge or manipulation. You're doing it because you're done. Done chasing, done explaining, done being a pawn in someone else's game. And when you do, watch what happens next. 1. Your fuel is pain. That crushing feeling in your chest, the endless what ifs. Most men run from it, distracting themselves with drinks, hookups, or obsessively checking her social media. But not you. Pain isn't your enemy. It's your fuel. The Stoics knew this. The obstacle becomes the way. Your heartbreak isn't here to destroy you. It's here to build you. You have two choices. Drown in self-pity and let this define you. Use the anger, the betrayal, the rejection to forge yourself into something unbreakable. Every great man in history turned suffering into strength. Now it's your turn. 2. Silence is power. She expects a reaction from you, begging, pleading, asking, why? That's how most men lose. But when you refuse to react, when you vanish without a word, that's when she starts questioning. Why isn't he chasing me? Did he ever even care? Dark psychology rule. People don't value what's given freely. They value what they lose. Your silence isn't for her. It's for you. It proves her absence doesn't control you. 3. The trigger of absence. At first, she won't notice. Then days pass. Weeks. Silence. The human brain hates uncertainty. When you disappear without closure, it creates an itch, a psychological void she has to fill. This is the Zeigarnik effect. Unfinished stories haunt us. Most men give closure too easily. Not you. You leave her wondering, doubting, regretting. 4. Reinvent yourself. Disappearing is just step 1. Now, evolve. Most men waste this time, waiting, hoping, staring at their phones. Not you. You'll use this solitude to rebuild. Hit the gym. Grind on your goals. Build a life so incredible that looking back isn't an option. When she finally checks in, she won't recognize the man you've become. And that, the realization she underestimated you, will haunt her. 5. Make her wonder, not miss you. Missing you is weak. Wondering about you is power. If she misses you, she still understands you, but when she wonders, that's when she obsesses. What's he doing? Is he with someone else? Did I ever really know him? The unknown is irresistible. Let her fill the gaps while you move forward, quietly, unshakably. 6. The art of being unavailable. Being too available is a trap. The more accessible you are, the less valuable you appear. People rarely desire what they can easily obtain. They want what feels just out of reach. That's the mindset you need to adopt. Become unattainable. Right now, she assumes she can return whenever she pleases, believing that if she reaches out, you'll be waiting. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but eventually. That assumption needs to be shattered. When a man is overly available, he unintentionally sends a clear message. He has nothing better to do. And that's a major turnoff. True value and power lie in a man so focused on building his empire that he doesn't sit around seeking validation. This is why mastering the art of being unavailable is essential. But let's be clear, this isn't about ignoring people out of spite or playing childish games. It's about genuinely being too engaged in your own life to be at anyone's beck and call. When she reaches out, you're not immediately there. When she checks your social media, there's nothing obvious for her to analyze. When she expects you to still be lingering in her shadow, you're nowhere to be found. And that drives people crazy. Because when you're unavailable, you create demand. You spark curiosity. And curiosity is addictive. Suddenly, she starts wondering, where is he? Why isn't he responding? Has he moved on? Just like that, the power dynamic shifts. But here's the key. This can't be an act. You can't pretend to be unavailable. You must genuinely cultivate a life so fulfilling that you don't have time for anyone who doesn't recognize your worth. That's when everything changes. You stop chasing. You stop waiting. And the moment you do, that's when people start chasing you. If you're done making yourself too accessible and ready to become a rare commodity, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below. I am too rare to be taken for granted. 7. Indifference is the ultimate attraction. Nothing is more attractive than genuine indifference. Not pretending, not playing games, but truly not caring. The moment someone realizes they have no effect on you, they start craving it. Right now, she assumes she still has power over you. She believes that if she reached out, you'd be there instantly, holding on to hope. But that version of you, he's gone. Indifference is magnetic. When someone's presence or absence no longer impacts you, it sends a powerful message. You don't need them. And nothing makes a person question their worth more than realizing they are no longer important to you. Most men try to fake this. They post flashy pictures, pretend to be busy, and act like they've moved on, hoping she'll notice. But true indifference? It can't be faked. It comes from a mindset where you genuinely don't care whether she returns or not. That's when you become dangerous. That's when people start gravitating toward you. Because confidence isn't about proving anything. It's about knowing you don't have to. Here's the paradox. The moment you stop wanting someone is the moment they start wanting you. In their mind, if you've stopped chasing, it must mean you found something better. And if you found something better, they start wondering, why weren't they enough? That's how the power shifts. You don't play games. You don't wait around. You don't seek validation. You move forward. And when she realizes you no longer care, That's when she starts chasing, because people always want what they can't have. If you're done caring about those who don't deserve it and ready to master true indifference, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I am free from attachment. 8. Reverse the power dynamic. Power. That's what this has always been about. From the moment she walked away, she held the power. Why? Because you cared more than she did. Because she knew she could leave, and you'd still be there, waiting, hoping, suffering. Not anymore. That ends today. Right now, you're about to do what most men never figure out. You're going to flip the script. In any relationship, romantic, social, or business, the person who cares less holds the power. The one who can walk away without hesitation is the one in control. And that's who you're becoming. Until now, she was in control. She made the call to leave. She assumed she could come back whenever she wanted. But when you remove yourself completely, when you disappear, evolve, and stop seeking validation, everything shifts. Suddenly, she's the one wondering. Suddenly, she's the one doubting. Suddenly, the man she thought was replaceable isn't so replaceable after all. And that's when regret sets in. But this isn't about revenge. It's not about playing games. It's about reclaiming your value. You're no longer chasing. You're no longer waiting. You're no longer reacting to someone else's decisions. You decide now. You dictate who gets access to you. And the moment you realize that you are the prize, that's when people start chasing you. Because here's the truth, you never lost her. She lost you. She just doesn't know it yet. But she will. If you're done giving your power away and ready to be the man who walks away first, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I control my own worth. 9. When they reach out, stay cold. And then it happens. After all the silence, all the wondering, all the curiosity eating away at her, she reaches out. Maybe it's a simple, hey. Maybe it's something vague like, hope you're doing well. Maybe she doesn't even acknowledge what happened, acting like nothing has changed. Nope. You already know what this is. It's a test. She's not reaching out because she misses you. Not yet. She's reaching out to see if she still has control over you. She wants to know if she can still pull your strings, if she still holds space in your mind. But you're no longer that man. This is where most men fail. They see the message. They get excited. They think, this is my chance. And just like that, they fall right back into her hands. Not you. Not this time. Here's what you do. Stay cold. No excitement. No desperation. No over-explaining. If you respond at all, keep it short, emotionless, controlled. Hope you're well too. That's it. No questions. No openings for conversation. You give her nothing to latch onto. And that drives her insane. Because now, the dynamic has fully shifted. She expected warmth, familiarity, the same man she walked away from. Instead, she gets ice. And this is the moment she truly regrets losing you. Not when you disappeared, not when you stopped chasing, but when she comes back and realizes you don't care anymore. And here's the truth. This was never about getting her back. It was about getting yourself back. And now that you have, you won't give it up for anything. If you're done falling for the same traps, if you're ready to stay cold when it matters, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I am untouchable. 1-0. Move on, but never look back. This is it. The final step. The true test of your transformation. walking away, completely, permanently, without hesitation. Most men get to this point and fail. They've done the work. They've gone silent. They've rebuilt themselves. But the moment she shows interest again, they cave. They think, maybe this time it'll be different. No. Let me remind you why you're here. You didn't go through all this just to turn back. You didn't evolve just to return to the same person who once made you feel like you weren't enough. You moved on to become a man who no longer accepts less than he deserves. So now, the choice is yours. You can take the easy path. Go back, replay the same cycle. Give her the satisfaction of knowing she still has a hold on you. Or you can do what few men have the strength to do. Walk away and never look back. Because here's the truth. Your life is no longer about her. It never was. She was just a chapter in a much bigger story. And now, that chapter is over. The real flex isn't making her regret leaving. It's never even thinking about her again. And trust me, when she realizes that, when she sees that she no longer affects you, that you've moved on, that she is nothing more than a memory, that's when she'll feel the deepest regret of all. But by then, you won't even care. This is your moment. The final test. The last time you ever let someone else control your emotions. You are now in full control of your own story. So if you're truly ready, if you're done living in the past, done with second chances, done with anyone who couldn't see your worth, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I never look back, because from this point forward, you don't chase, you don't wait, you don't regret, you move forward. And the rest? It takes care of itself. Thanks for watching. Stoic blessing. See you in the next one.